Spring is the best. Everything smells amazing.
Yeah, except for the sneezing part.
Are you okay?
Just my allergies being dramatic.
Not me too.
Welcome to the Allergy Club. Membership includes endless sneezing.
Lucky me.
Try these. And Mom says washing your hands and face helps too.
How do we even deal with this every day?
We just keep going. Oh, and don't forget to tell the teacher if you need a break.
Allergies! Same here!
You too?
Yup, half the class is like this. We're all in this together.
Okay, this isn't so bad. Sneezes or not, spring's still awesome.
Totally worth it.